It's Google Sheet by 2 here. Today, you will be master SUMIF Google Sheet function and on how to save time with it. I'm going to show you how to make use of SUMIF and for variables of it. My favorite is number 4. Now, I'm not going to again about what sum and SUMIF are. SUMIF is just sum and if. Sum may only when be is something. For example, I have this table of data. We all know that sum function will sum all the value in the selected range. And I want to sum only parts of it by certain criteria. If I use sum, I have to manually select each value, and it takes a lot of time. So we will use the first function, SUMIF. How the SUMIF formula works consists of 3 parts: the range you want to use as condition, the condition, and the range to sum. Now, I want to only sum granola sales and leave out others. Input the formula, then the range I want to use as condition is column B. The condition is the word granola, and the range of value to sum is column D. There you go, but you have to manually change the condition, which is a bit too much work. The third method are going to fix this. Now, we want more specific. We want to cut down to the variant of the product. For example, the granola product has 3 variants: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Let's say we want to know how much sales the chocolate flavor does. The use case of this is big. For if you want to have a brief look at what variants sell the best straight in your dashboard. If you want to make a dashboard like that, I have a video on my channel. Now, to do this, we will use SUMIF. The SUMIF formula is a bit of a reverse of SUMIF. It starts with the range to sum, then the range to use as condition, then the condition. You can have as many conditions as you like. This is how it will turn out. Now, you can change which variant you want to sum in the granola product by change the name of variant in the formula. Next, we will learn how to easily control all the conditions without editing the formula every time. First, you need to add a drop-down bar like this. Then in the formula, add the drop-down bar cell name. Here is F1. Now you can choose what you want to sum just by selecting it by double-click. If you don't know how to add a drop-down bar, there's a detailed video on my channel. The same goes for the SUMIF function. Imagine in your dashboard. You just need to do this instead of running around the sheets. The last function. This is a much higher one. You can re-watch this if you want. Now, for example, you want to know how much you sold in a specific range of days. Here, I want to choose from the 1st of January 2024 to the 5th of May 2024. We will use SUMIF. Then the range to sum. Then the range to use as condition, the condition, and then the range to use as dates, and the date itself. If you want to sum from this day to that day, just simply do as I do here. Now we have the total sales of granola product, strawberry flavor from the 1st of January 2024 to May 5th, 2024. You can show support by liking and following my channel. Have a great day.